Well, here's your antidote. You're going to get to do some Greek dancing. Wonderful exercise. Lots of fun. You can be the encore. Come on up and down. Everybody can do this one. We've got the 2-year-olds. We may have a 102-year-old in the audience. However old, however young you are, you're young. And you can dance. Let's form a circle. Come on up. Carol is going to teach you a simple dance. One that everybody does at the Greek festivals. You can do it here.
Barb,
you can do it in Santa Cruz.
Barb, do it.
You can do it when you're in Greece. Next year in
Barb,
Greece.
go up there. Do it.
Come on up. Everybody's got to get in a circle.
Pure pressure, Barb.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
No.
Here they come. Are you about ready to dance here? You have to dance so you can eat some more of the good Greek food. So many goodies. And as Gus says, it's disappearing. You gotta get it soon.
Okay, big circle. And we're going to simplify it. It's usually a shoulder hold, but we just hold hands. It's going to be easier. But you can, if you want a shoulder hand, you can do it. But it's going to do a simplified version. And oh, there we got more. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, everybody know where your right foot is? It's run to your right hand. You're going to start walking to your right. Right, left, right, kick, and then back, left, kick. Right, left, right, kick, 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 left, kick. Now when the music comes on, you may not be able to hear me, but follow the dancers in the middle and follow the ones that are in front of you, not the ones that are across from you. Okay? It's hard to get very you have to be very good. Okay. Here we go. Asa Pacifico.
Στην αγκαλιά σου
Ota, give us guys a hand. Well, we'd love to have you in our class, and we have flyers every Tuesday nights, and we will always be new dancers. Thank you very much for participating. I hope you liked it. Now you can continue to dance to the wonderful band of the Spartans and enjoy some more food. And next weekend, there's about 2 weeks from here, there's going to be another festival in Santa Cruz.